Yo, I'm gonna be real with you. You're probably buying the wrong sneakers, and it's low-key ruining your whole outfit. What's good? It's Fredjo Clothing, and today we're fixing one of the biggest fashion mistakes guys make in 2026, sneakers. Because listen, you could have a clean fit, nice jeans, fire top, but if your sneakers are off, it's done. Outfit ruined, no recovery. Let me guess. You're either wearing outdated bulky sneakers from 2016, buying hype sneakers that don't match anything, or rocking beat-up shoes thinking it's style newsflash. That's not style, that's confusion. Sneakers are not just shoes anymore. They are the foundation of your entire outfit. Mistake has shown. Buying hype over style. Just because it's expensive doesn't mean it looks good on you. Some of y'all wearing loud sneakers like you're trying to be a walking billboard. Mistake hash 2. Wrong color choices. Neon green, bright red, crazy patterns. Bro, what are you matching that with? Stick to white, black, neutral tones, earth colors. These go with everything. Mistake hash 3. Ignoring fit balance. Slim outfit plus bulky shoes equals clown energy. Oversized fit plus tiny sneakers equals weird proportions. Your sneakers need to match your outfit vibe. Alright, let's fix your style. 1. Clean white sneakers. These are mandatory. If you don't have a clean pair, start here. They go with literally any outfit. 2. Minimal street sneakers. Simple designs is greater than loud designs. Think clean, modern, effortless. 3. Chunky sneakers, but done right. Chunky is still in, but not those dinosaur-looking ones. Go for balanced chunky sneakers, not oversized bricks. 4. Retro-style sneakers. 2026 is all about vintage vibes. Simple, classic silhouettes are winning right now. Let me upgrade your fits real quick. Outfit 1. White sneakers plus slim jeans plus oversized tee equals clean plus modern. Outfit 2. Neutral sneakers plus cargo pants plus hoodie equals streetwear vibe. Outfit 3. Minimal sneakers plus tailored pants plus fitted shirt equals smart casual drip. Simple rule. Your sneakers should complete your outfit, not fight it. You don't need to be rich to look good. Budget sneakers can look better than expensive ones if you style them right. Focus on clean look, good fit, versatility, not just price tags. So yeah, if your outfits haven't been hitting lately, now you know why fix your sneakers, fix your style. If you want more fashion tips like this, hit subscribe and follow Fredjo Clothing. We upgrading your style all 2026.